Namaste, everybody. Just give me 2 minutes, okay? I'll be back in just 2 minutes, okay? You can just start practicing. Give me 2 minutes, please. Namaste, everybody. Sorry for a little delay. Okay, let's start. What we did last class? Anybody remember?
Cricket Kaida.
Did Tera Kita Kaida? Okay. Did we play or we didn't play it?
We played once, I think.
Okay. So let's try to play today. Let me share the doc, okay? Um, okay, so let's go to the doc. Okay, so we will refer this page. I hope you are okay with this page. So let's recap one time and then we'll try to see if we can play it together, basically. Okay, you guys can see the screen. Okay, so the main theme is dha tira kita. So dha tira kita dhage na dhinna tira kita dhage na ke na ta tira kita ta tinna tira kita. This zoom level is okay. Everybody can see. So we are talking about the main theme. Just give me 1 second. Let me adjust here screen. Okay, so we are talking about just main theme to start with. Okay, so this is the part. So dha tera kit dhage na dhinna tera kit dhage tinna ke na. Khali will be ta tera kit ta ke na tinna tera kit dhage dhinna ke na. Dha tera kit dhage na dhinna tera kit dhage tinna ke na. Khali ta tera kit ta ke na tinna tera kit dhage dhinna ke na. First variation dohra. This is what we are talking about now, the first variation. So this is what. So how it goes? Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna. So this phrase you repeat 2 times. Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna. Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna. Add the main theme, which is this portion. Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna. Te rakita dha ge tinna kena. Now you go to the khali part basically. So which will be the closing. Ta te rakita ta ke na tinna. Ta tera kita ta ke na tinna. Back to main theme. Dha tera kita dha ge na dinna. Tera kita dha ge instead of tinna ke na it will be dinna ge na. Okay, so again variation one, top to bottom. Dha tera kita dha ge na dinna. Ishan, do it on the clap. Say we'll play it later on, Ishan. Same thing Vedant. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Dha tera kita dha ge na dinna. Dha tera kita dha ge na dinna. Main theme. Dha tera kita dha ge na din. Tera kita dha ge tinna ke na. Ta tera kita ta ke na tinna. Ta tera kita ta ke na tinna. Tera kita dha ge na dinna. Tera kita dha ge dinna ge na. Now the second variation, which is burr. Okay, so this is a little tricky variation. Okay, make sure guys you guys understand this variation. Amongst all the variation, this is a little tricky variation because of the burl. Okay, how that goes? Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna ge na dha ne dha ge na. So you are adding ge na, which was not part of your anything already. So make sure that is a little tricky here. Dha te rakita dha ge na dhinna ge dha a ne, and again this pause, the a ne, will make your life a little difficult. And the last phrase is also 3 syllable. So from starting from this section, then na ge na, until you reach here, it's all tricky. It's not simple. So just pay attention. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. Dha tera kita dha ge na, din na ge na, dha ne dha ge, dha tera kita dha ge na, din. Tera kita dha ge, din na ke. Ta tera kita ta ke na, din na ke na, ta ne ta ke na. So this dha a ne, you can prolong this akar, dha a ne. Don't say dhane. Dhane, if you say it, then you will not able to encounter this pause. Dha a ne, dha a. So add a which will take care of that dash pause. If you say dhane, then you are omitting this pause. So don't do that. Dhane, dhane, dhane. That's what you should continue. Okay. Two, ready, go. Dha tira kita dhage na, dhinna ge na, dha ne dhage na, dha tira kita dhage na, dhin tira kita dhage, dhinna ke, dha tira kita take na, dhinna ke na, ta ne take na, dha tira kita dhage na, dhin tira kita dhage, dhinna ke na. One more time. Dha tira kita dhage, dhinna ge na, dha ne dhage, dha tira kita dhage. Dinna tira kita dagi dinna ki ta tira kita take na dinna ki na ta ne take ta tira kita dagi na dinna tira kita dagi dinna gena. Now let's go to the variation 3. Variation 3 is slightly easy than compared to variation 2. It's not that difficult. Okay, but let's try. So it's called as a palta. Okay, so what is it? Dha tira kita dhagena. This phrase you are doing 2 times and just dhinna gena basically. Okay, so 1, 2, ready, go. Dhate rakita dhage na, dhate rakita dhage na, dhinna ge. Dhate rakita dhage na, dhinna te rakita dhage, dhinna ke na kali. Tate rakita take na, tate rakita take na, dhinna ke na, tate rakita dhage na, dhinna te rakita dhage, dhinna. One more time. Dhate rakita dhage, dhate rakita dhage, dhinna ge. Dha tera kita dhage na dinna tera kita dhage dinna ta tera kita take na ta tera kita take na dinna ke na ta tera kita dhage na dinna tera kita dhage dinna again. Last TI. The TI goes little difficultly, but hopefully you guys should be all right with the TI. So this is what now we are trying to do. So dha tera kita dhagena. Same phrase from your last variation, no change, right? This is the phrase. Dha tera kita dhagena, 2 times, no change, right? So dha tera kita dhagena, dha tera kita dhagena. Again, same ending dhinna phrase also here, dhinna gena. But what you do there is add dha a, dha a. Wherever you see dash, make sure you prolong the akar. If you say dha dha dha, you are missing one gap. So dha a, dha a, dha a. So how the TI goes? Dha te rakita dhage na, dha te rakita dhage. Dhirnage na, dha, 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 right? So dha te rakita dhage na, dha te rakita dhage na, dhirnage na, dha, dha, dha. Dhinnagena dhavan 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 Dhinnagena dha dha dha. This is one loop. Like that you have to do 3 loops. Now at the third there is a long gap. Here the gap is shorter. If you see that everywhere. Here, so here and here there is a difference in the gap. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. Dha te rakita dha ge na, dha te rakita dha ge, then na ge na dha dha dha, then na ge na dha dha dha, then na ge na dha dha dha. Pause. Dha te rakita dha ge, dha te rakita dha ge, then na ge na dha dha dha, then na ge na dha dha dha. Dinage na da da da. Third time. Da tira kita dage. Da tira kita dage na. Dinage na da da da. Dinage na da da da. Dinage na da da da. Now we'll do the whole kaida top to bottom. Okay, non-stop. Top to bottom. Let's see how many can copy it up with me. We are starting from here and we'll go all the way up to here. Okay, let's see how you can say in the clap. Back to back. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, ready, go main theme. Da tera kita dhage na dinna tera kita dhage dinna ke. Da tera kita take na dinna tera kita dhage dinna. First variation. Da tera kita dhage na din. Da tera kita dhage na din. Da tera kita dhage na dinna tera kita dhage dinna. Khalipa. Da tera kita take na din. Da tera kita take na din. Dha tere kita dhage na dinna tere kita dhage dinna. Variation 2. Dha tere kita dhage dinna ge na dha ne dhage na dha tere kita dhage na din tere kita dhage dinna ke. Ta tere kita take na dinna ke na ta ne take. Dha tere kita dhage na dinna tere kita dhage dinna. Third. धाते रकिट धागे, धाते रकिट धागे ना धिन्नागे, धाते रकिट धागे ना धिन्नाते रकिट धागे तिन्नाके, ताते रकिट ताके ना ताते रकिट ताके ना तिन्नाके, धाते रकिट धागे ना धिन्नाते रकिट धागे धिन्नाते आई, धाते रकिट धागे, धाते रकिट धागे ना धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, second time, धाते रकिट धागे ना धाते रकिट धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, third time, धाते रकिट धागे ना धाते रकिट धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा, धिन्नागे ना धा धा धा. So my request is practice reciting both the qaida like this, top to bottom. This will help you to get into the flow. Okay, it's good at least you recite 1 or 2 times during your day, at least couple of times every day, so that during exam you will not have any trouble basically anytime. You'll get habit, you'll get practice, you'll get flow into that basically. Okay, now let's play this top to bottom together, everybody. Okay, let's start playing it. Did we play with the lera or we are playing without lera?
Played without Lara, I think, last time.
Okay, let's try today with the lera. What speed we are playing the first qaida?
50.
We started with 45 and then we went to 50 another.
Okay, let's try this one also 50 probably, see how that goes. Okay. Can you hear Lara? Do you want me to share the screen or is it okay to share up the screen?
Can you please share?
But then you will not able to see me probably playing full screen, okay?
Okay.
So playing is important or sharing the screen is important. You guys,
It's alright. You can not share the screen.
what about others? Is it okay not to share the screen? Okay. Okay. We'll try at 50 speed. So play the Tintal first, which we didn't add it, and then we'll see how that goes, okay? Next cycle. One, two, ready, go. Ah, in, in, ah, ah, in. Continue. I'm not reciting now. Just follow my plane. Main theme. Kali. First variation. Main theme. Kali. Main theme. Second variation. Tha, a, ne, tha, ge, na. Main theme. Kali. Ta, te, ra, ki, ta, te, na. Tin, na, te, na. Ta, a, ne, ta, ke, na. Main theme. Te, ra, ki, ta, te, na. Variation 3. Main theme. Kali. last TI. One, two, 3 seconds. One, two, three, third time. Tin tal, then, Samarth play, then, continue again. Now stop it. So how many were able to play it 100% correctly without any mistakes? Let's go one by one. Kedar, you are okay? Or was there any mistakes?
There's mistakes in the TI.
Mistake. Okay. So what was the mistake? I mean, is anything you want from me or you are okay by practicing?
I'm okay.
Okay. Samarth.
I was right, but I was good, but like for the TI, my hand was hurting a bit. For the third deal, so.
Okay. Ishan? I can't hear you, Ishan, at all. Maybe you need to check your voice. No, I still can't hear you. Maybe I think you check your audio setting. Parvananji, what do you think?
Yeah, it was okay. There was some mistakes. One question I have last line in Tihai. So dhinna gena dha a 1 2 dhin, then start or
Dha 1 2 3. That is not correct. Dha 1 2 3. You are
can
adding one extra which is not correct. Dha 1 2 3.
1 2 3 or it cannot be like dha a 1 2 and start again. That would
That's
be
also okay. That's okay.
that's
As long as you are having three poses, it's up to you how you interpret it. You can interpret dha 1 2. That is also okay. But don't exceed or don't eliminate. That's only suggestion here.
that's
Vedant, you are okay? Vedant, you play 100% correctly?
I made a few mistakes in the last variation, in the last verse of the Tihai. Like
Okay.
with the Tihai.
Okay. Good. Ishan, you're back on audio or you still have problem, Ishan? No. Can you guys hear what Ishan is telling about? Yeah, I can't hear anything. No. So Ishan, I think there is some issue with your setup probably. Ask your mom or dad somebody if you can help if they can. But I'm not able to hear you at all. Okay? So you can check it up and come back a little later probably. Okay, now this speed was 50. So you want to keep the speed 50 or is it okay to increase by 5 count or 10 count? What do you guys think?
It's okay to increase.
How much? 5 or 10?
By 5.
5, 55. Okay, what about Samarth?
We can do 10.
10. Okay. Vedant, 5 or 10?
10.
10. And Ishan, can you type it on the chat? 10. Okay, so Ishan already gave me indication. Okay, so I can see your indication. And Parmananji, 5 or 10?
it's fine.
5.
10
Okay, so 10?
is fine. Yeah.
5 or 10?
Ten.
10. So Kedar, you are the only one who is saying 5 probably. So are you okay with 10 or you still feel that 5 is better for you?
I could try with 10.
Okay, so let's go with 60 speed. Now let's play the whole top to bottom again, okay? Okay, top to bottom sequence again. Try to focus and understand if you can, probably, okay? Next cycle, be ready. तीन ताल, whole kaida, back to तीन ताल, okay? One, two, ready, go. In, out. Main team. First variation. Ali. Second. Third. TI. One, two, three. One, one, one. Inna, na. One, one, one. Inna, na. One, one, 1, 2, 3. Third loop. One, one, one. In the in. One more time, top to bottom sequence. First. Second. Main theme. Third. Last TI. Dhawan, 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 dinna ne na dhawan, 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 dinna ne na dhawan, 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 2, 3. Second loop. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Third loop. Ah, 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 din, din, ah, ah, din, din, ah, ah, din, din. Okay, so let's go with one by one. Was there any improvement, or there was probably because of speed there was some more issues? Kedar, all good, hopefully? Perfect, good, very good. Samarth,
Good.
all good, excellent. Vedant,
99%.
99%. Yes, okay, good, that's good. Ishan, all good, 100%? Perfect. Padmanabh, all good, okay. Now, the last one more request is let's bump it up to 75 speed. I'm not even asking you, okay? I'm just telling you, let's bump it up to 75 speed and let's do one more time, top to bottom. Is that okay? Hopefully? Okay, let's try 75 speed, okay? Top to bottom sequence, okay? Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, ready, go. Tinta. Main theme. First. one, tha, 1, 2, 3. Tha, tha, tha. Then na, ge, na, tha, 1, tha, 1, tha, 1. Then na, ge, na, tha, 1, tha, 1, tha, 1, 2, 3. Third loop. Then, tha, tha. Then, tha, tha. Was that doable or that was stretching to everybody? Ishan says good. Samar says good. Kedar also says good. Wow. And what about Vedant? All good? 100% Vedant? Not 100%? Okay. And
I made one mistake in the main thing.
small mistakes and here they are okay. Okay. What are Okay. So please keep practicing. Okay. And we will probably recap the Qaida one more time next week at 100 speed. What speed? Write down that as a homework for you. Try to see if you can reach to 100 speed by next week. That's a long jump from 75 to 100. But if you do 5 count every day, you should be able to reach 100. I can guarantee that. Provided you have to do every day for 5 count. So 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100. So next week when we meet, we'll be jumping it directly to 100 speed. Okay. Can you just write down somebody in this so that I will not forget it basically. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. This is the last part from your exam syllabus. Okay, so we have finished that section. Vedant, you are okay with the Qaida, Vedant? Okay, excellent. Okay, let's talk about a sum to sum TI. Now, what is the definition of sum to sum TI? Anybody knows what is the definition of sum to sum TI? Vedant?
Sum is starting beats to sum is the starting beats of the
So
qaida.
sum is the starting bit of any given tal, right? So you must start this tihai from the first beat of tal. And you have sum to sum tihai in teen tal, and also you have sum to sum tihai in japtal. We'll come back to japtal later. So if you look at it here, nutshell, I'm scrolling down. Okay. So your first beat of teen tal, the second beat of teen tal, third beat of teen tal, and fourth beat of teen tal. Okay. Fifth beat of teen tal, and sixth beat of teen tal. 7 bit, like that you continue it. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is your 16 bit. So the tihai what we are working on here is, let me probably just adjust my screen if you don't mind guys, please. Okay, that's better for me. Okay, so the tihai what we are talking about here is ta a dha a, ta one dha one. Always remember to take and counter the pauses. Ta a dha a. Where there is a dash, Vedant, listen here, please. Don't try to play it, otherwise you're not able to understand it. So ta a dha a, and that's what you have seen here in the first beat. Ta a dha a, one beat. Ta ki ta dha, second beat, and then there is a, right? Ghe en ta, dha a, dha a, dha a. So there are lots of pauses here, guys. Okay. There are lots of pauses, so make sure you understood the pauses. Again, I'll repeat where are the pauses and make sure you pay attention to those pauses. Okay. Once again, listen here. This is not an easy TI. So ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ghe en ta dha a dha a dha a. And after this dha, there is a long pause which I have not written here, which will I'll add it here. So it's a pretty long pause. Okay. So watch again here from one more time. Okay. Ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ghen ta dha a dha a dha 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it's a pretty long gap, and you can see this gap here. So this is dha a and this whole gap. Sorry, my bad. So this is the gap we are talking about. So in the nutshell, and this is you play how many times? 3 times. That's why it's called as a tihai. The meaning of tihai means a whole phrase or the syllable you play top to bottom 3 times. And sum to sum means, Samarth, you are not listening to me at all, my friend. Please don't do that.
Okay.
Please. So sum to sum means you start from the first beat of the tal, and this is what the first beat of the tal, and you conclude on the first beat of the following cycle. Sum two means from. So from sum, you are traveling towards the sum, which is one cycle or 1 hour turn, one cycle or one, and it has to fit into one cycle only. If you are playing in 2 cycle of the tal, you will not able to call sum to sum ti. So examiner may ask you that if I play this ti in 2 cycle of the tal, will you still able to call as a sum to sum ti? No. The meaning of sum to sum means it must fit within one cycle, 1 hour of the avartan means cycle. Okay. Ishan, your video is very blurry. I'm getting a little, so I don't know whether it's deliberately you have kept it or it's something wrong with your equipment. I think same thing. I think Vedant, your video is also slightly blurry. So if you guys probably make it because it's gives you trouble to my eyes when I'm looking at you. So don't keep the blurry, keep it clean basically, so that my eyes are not probably getting strained. Because whenever I look Ishan to you and Vedant, I'm getting a little blurry probably. Okay, so let's say without giving the rhythm. Okay, with me. Ready, everybody? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ghe en ta dha a dha a dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So it's a pretty long pause if you see here. Dha 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. So again, one, don't clap it. Summer, don't play, please, my friend. Stay with me, okay? 1 2 ready, go. Ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ghe en ta dha a dha a dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Ta dha. No, no, I'm eliminating the akar. Try to fill the gap. Ta dha ta ki ta dha ghe dha 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 ta dha ta ki ta dha ghe dha 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 ta. Now let's try to do with the clap with me, okay? So we are following 1 2 3 4 clap here, okay? So we'll clap. So ta will be your clap, ta will be your clap, in will be clap, dha will be clap, this da will be clap, and this is a silent. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 clap will do it, okay? 1 2 ready, go. Ta dha ta ki ta dha ge ta dha dha pause ta dha ta ki ta dha, ge in ta dha, dha, dha. Pause. Okay. Now let's add the akar ikar to make your life a little more. Okay. So ta a dha a ki ta dha a ge in ta dha a dha a dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta a dha a ki ta dha a ge in ta dha a dha a dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta tha ta ki ta tha a ge in ta tha tha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and that exactly happens all three times. So the second loop starts from here. Ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ge in ta dha a dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Third loop ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ge in ta dha a and the sum is somewhere here. Okay, so all three loops are same, no change in the clapping. So let's say top to bottom three times. Everybody, one, two, ready, go. Ta a tha ta ki ta tha a ge in ta tha a ta 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta a ta ki ta tha a ge in ta tha a 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta ki ta tha a ge in ta tha. Was that okay? One more time. One, two, ready, go. Ta a tha a ta ki ta tha a ge in ta tha a ta 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta a ta ki ta a ge in ta tha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta ki ta a ge in ta. Anybody want to try on the clap? Samad word.
Da ki.
Claps are not correct. This is what I'm telling you. When I'm telling something, you keep playing something and you ignore me completely. This is the outcome. Don't be overconfident. Don't ignore what I'm telling. You are the sufferer. I'm not. If I'm telling something, make sure you follow me, please. Okay?
Okay.
Try again or come back a little later.
I'll try again.
Okay.
Da ki da
You're clapping on the key. Is your clap on key?
no.
Where your clap is? Your clap is on the, you are clapping on key. That's not correct rhythm. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. That's what the rhythm is. Ta a dha a ta ki ta da a ge. So if you are missing at the kita itself, I don't think you'll able to do the remaining part at all because this section is the most difficult section. Do you see the outcome?
Yeah.
This is what will happen if you don't pay attention. Okay, Vedant, want to try?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Ta ki ta tha in ta tha 1 2 3 2 3.
Ah, no, it's not correct. Again.
Ta tha ta ki ta in ta tha 3 1 2 3.
It's not coming correct. Is it too difficult, guys? Let's try with Kedar. Ishan, I don't think I can ask because Ishan, I'm not able to hear. So, Kedar, you want to try?
Ta
No, no,
ki.
no. You are doing double clapping. You don't need double clapping. Ta, a, dha, a. That will take two cycle of the sum. That will not be sum to sum theory. That's exactly I told you initially. If you are doing ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, you need two cycle to complete the theory. Will you call that sum to sum theory, Kedar? You
I
will not.
know.
You will not. So don't do that mistake, please. And I deliberately, I was knowing that some of you will end up doing that. That's why I told you initially, you have to fit into one cycle only. So ta, a, dha, a has to be in one beat. Ta, ki, ta, dha has to be in another beat. You have to follow exact this same beat what I've written here, Kedar. When you do ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, your speed is double the speed. You need two cycle in that case. I hope you are understanding the mathematics.
Yeah.
Okay, try again.
Dha ta ki ta dha
Huh?
ge ta.
You cannot clap anywhere where you feel comfortable, guys. Where your claps are. First clap ta, second clap ta, third clap has to be here. Fourth clap. The first syllable of every group will have your clap, not anywhere where you feel comfortable. Ta, a, dha, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ge, in, ta, dha, a, dha, dha. So wherever I have rectangly, those are the claps I should able to see from you. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ge, in, ta, dha, a, dha, a. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it was.
Okay.
You try again or come back a little later.
I'll come back a little later.
Okay. Who was not done probably? Ishan, you're okay with that sound? Or you still feel there is no issue with sound issue with your sound? I don't think we can hear Ishan. Your mic is mute, Ishan, by the way. No, I don't think we can hear. Parvan, you want to try?
Yes, Satish.
Okay.
Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, a, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, a, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta.
No. The third time you will not be saying that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will not be there third time here. So dha, a, dha. That's it. No 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 third time. Okay? So just other than your lay perfect was everything was good. Try one more time. Don't add 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for last time. So dha a. This dha will be your last dha. This part will not be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the last cycle. Okay, try again one more time. But all other was perfect. Your lay was rock solid. Good, very good.
Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, a, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, a, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ghe, in, ta, dha, dha.
Perfect. That is excellent. Anybody else want to try? Kedar, Samarth, Vedant. Anyone is ready? Samarth, go ahead.
Da, ki, da, ge, da. Wait.
Samarth, why you are changing and going with your own thought when I am asking you to do with another thought? You will not get into that right away, Samarth. So add akar ikar. Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, ta, dha, a, ge, in, ta, dha, a, dha, a, dha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just simple follow these steps, you'll be all right. Why you want to invent something new every time and then get into trouble yourself?
Okay, I'll go a bit slower.
Okay?
Wait, no. Da ki ge da 1 2 3 1 2 3 ki ge da 1 2 3
Almost there, almost. Third time, don't add 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time. It's only 2 times you are adding the pause. Okay, again, top to bottom.
ki da ge da 1 2 3 1 2 3
No, no, no. Why you are changing 1, 2, 3 speed? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go with the same pace. Don't change the speed. Ta a dha a ta ki ta dha a ge en ta da 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ta a dha a. Why you want to rush for the pause and saying the changing the lay, changing the speed for counting 1 2 3 1 2 3 4? This is simple counting 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Rest everything you are doing correctly, which is most difficult. Okay, keep practicing. I'll come back to you later. Vedant, you ready?
I can try. Dha a ta ki ta dha ge in ta dha a 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 dha a ta ki ta dha ge in ta dha a 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 dha a ta ki ta dha ge in ta dha a.
Again, one more time. Yeah.
Tha ta ki ta tha ge in ta tha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 tha ki ta tha ge in ta tha 1 2 3 1 tha ki ta tha ge in ta tha.
The last da you didn't say da. Dha you have to say 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. You shouldn't say, but you are omitting the last dha, which is some dha, which is not correct. Okay, try one more time.
Tha ki ta tha ge in ta tha 1 2 3 1 2 3 tha ki ta tha ge in ta tha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 tha ki ta tha ge in ta tha.
Perfect. Great. Vedant, perfect. You got it, my friend. Extremely good. Kedar, you ready?
dha ta ki ta dha ge dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 dha ta ki ta dha ge dha 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 dha ta ki ta dha ge dha.
Excellent. Very good. Ishan, is somebody there to help you to fix your mic, or it is not possible, Ishan? Your mom or dad, somebody? Nobody is there? You can type in the chat probably. I hope chatting is at least working in your case. Or can you send me the recording after the class is done? Okay, you can send the record. Okay, perfect. Now let's try to understand the formulation of the TI. Okay, now this is completely theoretical part, but make sure you pay attention. Samarth, especially, make sure you pay attention to this. Okay. Now, before we start, this is First beat, okay? Second beat, third beat, fourth beat, and fifth beat. And this is your pause. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so beat number 1, beat number 2, beat number 3, beat number 4, this is beat number 5, and this is beat number 6. Okay, but partially beat 5 and partially beat 6 is your pause. Pay attention, please, Samar, everybody. Okay, so the tiha is how many beats? If you exclude this dha, beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4, then dha. Okay, again, let me recap. Make sure you guys pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, dha, and pause. So how much I am counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, dha, and pause. Now let's try. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, dha, and this is all pause. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your sum. Was there a pause after third time? No. So write down the point. In any tihai, write down, open your book and write down, in any tihai, the occurrence of the pause between the loop of the tihai happens only 2 times, not 3 times. Okay, so let me go back to the formula. Okay, we'll work on the formula. We may extend the class for another 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I hope that is okay to everybody. Okay, is everybody okay with that? Okay, but this is very important to learn this formula. Okay, okay, so let's derive the formula to create a TI. Derive formula to create sum to sum TI in any tal. Okay, in any tal. This is what we are working the formula. So like I'm giving you a source code, and okay, it's like a flow chart I'm giving it to you. This is the algorithm I'm giving it to you. Once you understood this, you should be able to create TI in any tal. But example we are doing for teen tal. Okay, first step. Step 1, number of beats of the tal. Number of beats of tal equal to 16, right? Step 2, add +1. Do you know why we are adding +1 here? Anybody knows why we are adding +1? Huh? Sum, correct. So which is equal to 16 plus 1, 70. Okay. Step number 3. Step number 3. Divide by 3 to above formula. So which why divide by 3? So 17 divided by 3. Anybody know why we are doing divide by 3? Nobody knows?
It's TI, so three times.
Exactly. Being a TI, we are doing divide by 3 because of T high. TI stands for 3, right? So if you do 17 divided by 3, how much you get? How much is the integer and how much is the remainder? 5 plus 2. 5 integer, 2 remainder. 5 integer, 2 remainder. Everybody is understanding so far? I'll just push it slightly here. Number of bits. I'll just remove this tab so that. So far these two numbers are important, 5 and 2. Okay. Now let's talk about step number 4. Divide or distribute remainder or divide remainder by 2. 2. So 2 divided by 2, how much? Right? So that one pause you will distribute between the thi. Now before that, let's go back here, okay? Let's go back to structure of the thi. Structure of any thi, okay, not sum to sum. So you have a phrase plus dha plus pause, okay? This is your one loop. Phrase plus dha plus pause, one loop. Phrase plus dha plus pause, second loop. And third time, sorry, my bad. Third time, that's it. So how many times occurrence of pause is? Only 2 times. Okay, so remember that part. Occurrence of the pause is happening only 2 times. So in the below part, the calculation, your reminder was 2, right? So distribute one pause here, one beat, and one beat pause here. Okay, so you have consumed the reminder here. So if we take this formulation, okay, I'm just copy pasting here. I'm going down. So if I copy paste it here, this pause is one pause, right? So I'm just putting one pause here. One pause here and one pause here. So this 1 plus 1, 2, we have consumed our reminder. Is that okay? Everybody is understanding that part? So these two reminder, I'm putting in red color, which we have consumed those 2 beats. One reminder here, one reminder here. Okay? Is that clear so far? Now how much is the integer? 5 is the integer we need to consume, right? Now we have to have dha, right? So from this 5, let's write down from the integer or step number 5, 5, that integer part, integer 5 is equal to 4 plus dha. So 4 is your phrase and dha is your fifth. So 4 is your phrase and dha. Now we have consumed dha here. So I'm putting dha with a different color here. So you can understand that this dha here, this dha here. Okay. So this dha we have consumed. So now what is the remaining part? The 4-beat phrase, right? And if you scroll up now, here, isn't it our phrase is 4-bit? Ta, a, dha, a, ta, ki, te, dha, a, ke, in, ta, dha, a, dha, a. This is our phrase, 4-bit. So in case of teen tal, what is your formulation of the ti? So let's write down here. I'm copy pasting these guys again here. Okay. What I'm trying to do is okay. Okay, so this one 4 plus dha, 4 plus dha, and 4 plus dha. Now, as a simple fun, which 4-bit phrase you guys know? Anybody knows any 4-bit phrase? Ishan, but you can't, your mic is not working.
Tera kita.
Right, your mic is working. Wow, what a magic. Perfect. Tira kita. So what is the simple ti in tintal? Ti, ra, ki, ta, dha, right? And then pause. I'm just writing a pause here, right? And that you do 3 times. So tira kita dha one time, right? Tira kita dha second time. And then last one is just tira kita, no pause. So how that fits here? Let's try here, okay? Let's try in the upper section, okay? So I'm scrolling it up, okay? I hope you guys see the screen here. So we have one syllable per bit, right? So instead of ta, a, dha, a, we just write ti, r, ki. I hope you can see my screen, my cursor, or no, you can't see. So this ta, a, dha will have just ti, r, ki, ta, dha, pause, ti, r, ki, ta, dha, pause, ti, r, ki, ta, dha. But that is the simplest TI which we can't do from our exam perspective. Okay. Otherwise, I would have been happy to teach you tera gita dha, pause, tera gita dha, and you must get 100%. No, that doesn't work, unfortunately. So, what is constant here in the formulation? Dha and pause is a constant. That 4-bit phrase is a variable. So, those who are interested in programming, you can probably create one app how to probably create TIs in different tals. Now the exact same formula you can use to any tal. Now let's work on the jap tal. Okay, number of bits jap tal. I'm just writing here. How many bits of jap tal? 10, right? So instead of 17, how much you get for jap tal? 11, right? I hope you are understanding. 10 is number of bits of jap tal plus 1, 11. Now 11 divided by 3, how much you get it?
9 and 3 and 2 remain.
9 or 3, 3 and 2 remainder, right? So now 2 remainder again distribute 1 into each. So among 3, 2 syllable phrase, 1 dha. So 1, 2, dha, pause, 1, 2, dha, pause, 1, 2, dha. So here in case I'm just writing 1, 2, 3, 4, dha, 1, right? In case of tinta, 2, 3, 4, dha, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, dha, right? So in case of Jhaptal, that will change to what? 1, 2, dha, 1, 1, 2, dha, 1, 1, 2. I'm copying basically here. So remove 3, 4. 1, 2, dha, 1, 1, sorry, my bad. 1, 2, dha, 1, 1, 2, dha, 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just count this. You should get 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is the sum. You got the formula? Now if you scroll down it, this is your Japtal Tihai. Now you should be able to capture right away. First beat, right? 2 beat. Second beat, dha, pause. Same concept. You got it? How many beats of the Tihai for Japtal? If what our as per our mathematics? 1 and 2 beat, then dha and pause. See if that matches here. First beat, right? Second beat, dha and pause. Again repeating. First beat, second beat, dha and pause. First beat, second beat, no pause, and dha is your sum. So dhati dage dennage na dha pause. Dhati dage dennage na dha pause. Dhati dage dennage na dha. So that is your Japtaltiya. Japtaltiya is very simple. I don't even need to teach you. Dhati dage dennage na is probably part of any of your Qaida phrase, right? Any question before we stop today? Do you understood the concept of sum to sum TI formulation wise? Everybody? If you have understood the formula, you can create sum to sum TI in any tar. It's that simple. Okay. So next class, now we'll start revising everything. We didn't play that. We'll play tomorrow, next class. But we have finished your complete syllabus. Now next class onwards, we'll just keep revising. Okay. Any question before we stop? Kedar? No question. Ishan? Ishan, send me the recording of whatever we did, probably, which you couldn't able to do it on the class, probably. Okay? Before the class. Samarth, any question?
No.
Vedant, any question? Vedant is always ready to just switch up the button as soon as we are done. He is the first one to quit the class. I know that. Right, Vedant? That's why he's in a standing position. That as soon as he says yes, okay, we'll see you next week, he's going to punch the button and he's the first one to get away from the windows. Right, Vedant? I want to see your face to make sure you agree with me. No? So today you will go the last one before everybody goes, after everybody goes. Okay, let's see that. Okay. Any question to anyone before we stop?
So Satish, ghe in the how you play that probably.
So ghe, right? Ghe in is a gap. The dha we are playing on the suit. So ghe in dha. Ghe in dha. We'll play next week, but in case if you want to practice, we can just use that. Ghe. So ghe, play louder. A is your pause in the. The you are playing it here. The and dha you are playing it on the sur basically. Okay. Okay, guys. Namaste. I'll see you next week again, same time. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you.